if a customer's already decided they want to do a data migration project, I mean, where do they basically start?
The first thing is really to understand the quality of the data that you've got. And how do you do that? You could use things like Excel, which may be appropriate, or you may want to go a little bit further and take tools like Data Services and Information Steward, where I can actually extract all that data using this sort of technology into a staging area and apply some data quality techniques onto the data.
So what kind of data quality techniques can you use? I mean, say typically names and addresses, you've got multiples in there, the wrong postcodes. So how do you go about cleaning that type of data up?
I think that's part of it. That's the most common thing when people talk about data quality, it's about names and addresses. That's actually probably the easier thing to sort out. The real difficult thing in a migration is to look at the business process as it should run and the data quality as it should fit the new business process. And that could be things like mandatory fields. It might be about business transformation rules. It may be about how do I populate a field if the data doesn't exist in my legacy system. It's about getting all this stuff understood using this sort of data audit type approach.
So on the projects that you've done, I mean, do you always find data quality issues?
All the time. And it's getting those data qualities understood way up front in the project to make sure you don't get any nasty surprises down the line. So the data audit is the fundamental thing you need to get right up front to reduce the risk of your project.
And then once you've got that data, once you know what data problems you've got, how do you actually clean that data up?
It depends on the complexity of the project. You can use tools like Excel if it's a simple migration, or you use tools like Data Services with its data quality techniques, where you can start applying these quality rules using deduplication techniques, standardization and matching techniques, all pre-built within the technology itself. And that will visualize the quality back to the business in nice little graphics and a nice user interface.